Examine carefully the following statement and answer the three questions that follow. One of four friends A, B, C, D. A, B play football and cricket and football. B and C play cricket and hockey. A and D play basketball and football. C and D play hockey and basketball. Now question is, who does not play hockey? So A is not playing hockey. So answer is D. Which game do B, C and D play? They play hockey because this one is common to all. So answer is B. Who play football, basketball and hockey? D plays. So answer is A. Because we see football, basketball and hockey. There are 5 hobby clubs in a college which photography, etching, chess, electronics and gardening. The gardening group meets every second day. The electronics groups meets every third day. The chess group meets every fourth day. The etching group meets every fifth day and the photography group meets every sixth day. How many times do all the 5 groups meet on the same day within 180 days? So gardening group meets after 2 days, electronic every third day, chess fourth day, etching fifth day and photography sixth day. And these groups they have to meet on the same day within 180 days. ऑलरेडी हम इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस कर चुके हैं कि क्लॉक सेम टाइम पर कब रिंग करेगी या कोई बेल है वो सेम टाइम पर कब रिंग करेंगी, किसी एक इंटरवल पर वो रिंग कर रही हैं. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में हम एलसीएम लेते हैं. तो एलसीएम अगर हम 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 का लें तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे और तब तक करेंगे प्राइम नंबर से जब तक 1 1 आ जाए. सो 1 3 2 5 and 3. Then we have 2 1 3. जो नहीं डिवाइड हो रहा है उसे एज इट इज ले लेते हैं 1 5 3. फिर 3 से करते हैं तो 1 1 1 5 1. अब 5 से करेंगे सो 5 1 1 1 1. सो अब इनका मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो 2 इंटू 2 4 इंटू 3 12 इंटू 5 60 जो है एलसीएम आ गया. और इस 60 से हम 180 को डिवाइड कर देंगे तो 3 टाइम्स वो मीट करेंगे. ग्रुप ऑल द ग्रुप 5 ग्रुप्स विल हैव टू मीट ऑन द सेम डे 3 times. So answer is A. 7 men A, B, C, D, E, F and G are standing in a queue in that order. Each one is wearing a cap of different color like violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में हमें वो लिंक पकड़ना है जहाँ की कोई एक डेफिनेट आंसर दिया गया और D is able to see in front of him green and blue. So green and blue here. But not violet. It means violet is here. E can see violet and yellow. It means E can see violet and yellow. So इसके हिसाब से violet जो है D पर आएगा. We are marking, we are not confirming yet. E can see violet and yellow but not red. So violet and yellow, violet we are saying maybe here and not red. So red will be here because we are thinking Q is like this. G can see caps of all colors other than orange. G can see all, orange is not. E is wearing indigo, so E is indigo. This is confirmed. It means G is wearing orange, it is also confirmed. Then the color of cap worn by F is red because violet is by D and this is orange, it is indigo. Red is only being seen, and green and blue and yellow will be somewhere, so it is red. Answer is C. There are some balls of red, green and yellow color lying on a table. There are as many red balls as there are yellow balls, so these are equal. There are twice as many yellow balls as there are green ones. So let's say green x, so this is 2x, so R is also 2x. The number of red balls equal to the sum of yellow and green, no. It's double the number of green balls, yes. So B is correct. Is equal to yellow balls minus green, no. Cannot. B is the answer. In a class of 45 students, a boy is ranked 20th when two boys joined. In a class of 45 students, a boy is ranked 20th. So first student 45 and rank is 20th. This is first rank. This is 45. When two boys joined, his rank was dropped by 1. So 47. And his rank is dropped by 1 means 21st. इसका मतलब एक लड़के ने यहाँ ज्वाइन किया, उससे पहले है उसका रैंक, और दूसरे लड़के ने इस साइड ज्वाइन किया जिसका रैंक उसके बाद में. व्हाट इज हिज न्यू रैंक फ्रॉम द एंड? तो अगर हम देखें तो 47 में से अगर हम 21 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो ये आता है 26. इसका मतलब 26 स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर हैं, क्योंकि 21 तो यहाँ तक हो गए, 21 को हमने घटा दिया, तो इसका रैंक क्या हुआ 26 + 1, तभी यहाँ आएगा. तो 26 + 1 मीन्स 27th इज द रैंक. सो आंसर इज सी. 3 persons A, B and C wore shirts of black, blue and orange colors, not necessarily in that order, and pants of green, yellow and orange colors, not necessarily in that order. So A, B, C, shirts and pants, black, blue, orange, and here it is green, yellow and orange. No person wore shirt and pants of the same color. Further, it is given that A did not wear shirt of black color, so it is not black. It may be blue or orange. B did not wear shirt of blue color, so not blue. C did not wear shirt of orange color, not orange. A did not wear pants of green color, so not green. And B wore pants of orange, so not white, yellow, it is orange. So orange from here gone. Once we have decided this is orange, and it means B is not wearing orange, so it is wearing black, because it is not wearing blue as well as orange, so it is wearing black. And A is not wearing black and it is not wearing green, and further we have decided black is here and C is not wearing orange, so A is wearing orange, and therefore only thing C is having blue here. So blue, orange. Now we come to this, it is orange, so, and A is not wearing green, it means green is here and yellow is here, so C is wearing blue and green. What were the colors of the pants and shirts worn by C respectively? So C is wearing pants are green and shirt is blue. So answer is B. Read the passage given below and the two statements that follow given on the basis of the passage. 4 men are waiting at Delhi airport for a Mumbai flight. 2 are doctors and other 2 are businessmen. 2 speak Gujarati and 2 speak Tamil. No two of the same profession speak the same language. 2 are Muslims and 2 are Christians. No two of the same religion are of the same profession, nor do they speak the same language. The Tamil speaking doctor is a Christian, so here we got some definite information. Then these two statements. Then it says that which of the above statements is our correct conclusion. So we have to see the information where we can make a table, and in table we can have one is language, one is profession, another is religion. So we have three categories. So last is Tamil speaking. So language is Tamil and he is a doctor, and religion is Christian. Now next is the Christian businessman speaks Gujarati. So we have to check it, but 2 speak Gujarati and 2 speak Tamil. So one more is Tamil and there are 2 Gujarati. 2 are Muslims and 2 are Christians. So another Christian will be businessman. So another Christian will be businessman, and he will speak, because no two of the same religion are of the same profession, तो same profession नहीं है, and nor do they speak the same language. So ये तमिल नहीं बोलेगा, ये बोलेगा गुजराती. So one we have done. Now we got Muslim. So out of these, one will be Tamil speaking, another will be Gujarati speaking. So let's say one is Tamil, and one will be doctor and one will be businessman. The Christian businessman speaks Gujarati. So Christian businessman speaks Gujarati, correct? The Gujarati speaking doctor is a Muslim. So Gujarati, because it is a doctor, so it cannot be, it will be here Gujarati and this will be Tamil. So Gujarati speaking doctor is a Muslim. This is also correct. So both the statements are correct. So answer is C. Next question. This is different from this passage.